we will find potential due to a point charge. First of all, there is a plus q charge at point O, and there is a point positive test charge plus 1 at infinity. Now we have to find the potential at P because of plus q charge. At some intermediate point P dash, electrostatic force on a unit positive test charge is q into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square. Here, as we know, plus q is the charge because of which we have to find the potential. Plus 1 coulomb is the unit positive test charge, and we have to now work done and the force on that particular charge at point P dash is q into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square. R dash is the distance between the point O and the point P dash. Now work done in moving that unit charge by delta r dash is delta W equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square into delta r dash. Here it is the force and delta r dash is the distance. The test plus 1 coulomb test charge is moving. So therefore we are multiplying the force into distance to find the work done. The negative signs appear because here the delta r dash is less than 0. Now the total work done by the external force can be obtained by integrating delta W from r dash equal to infinity to r dash equal to r, because the point test charge we are taking the plus 1 coulomb positive test charge from infinity to the point P, which is the distance r from O. So for that you have to integrate it from r dash to infinity to r. So when we integrate W, then you will have W equal to infinity to r q by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square dr is going to be equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash. Here r dash because we know the integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So in place of r dash square it will become r dash, and we will integrate it from infinity to r, which is going to be equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r, and this is the potential at point P due to the charge q, and it is denoted by V equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. So you can find out that the potential at point P because of the potential at point P because of plus q charge is q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Thank you.